Welcome back to the channel. I'm going to show you how to deactivate Messenger on your iPhone or Android. So first thing first, we're going to head into our Messenger. So what you want to do is click on this three hamburger menu beside chat. Alright, then you want to click on settings right here. Alright, so once you click on settings, you scroll down to the bottom and you click on account center. Alright, so here you want to click on personal details. Alright, so in this personal details, you want to click on account ownership and control. Alright, so what you want to do next is click on deactivation or deletion. So you have to understand that you can't deactivate Messenger alone because it's tied to your Facebook account. So you're going to click on Facebook. Alright, so it says deactivate account, delete account. So you click on continue, you input your password. Alright, so once you input your password, you have a list to choose from why you want to delete your or deactivate your Facebook account. Then you select the list and you click on continue. So it's pretty easy and straightforward. Alright, so I'm going to go back. So this is pretty much how you can deactivate your Facebook account. If you get something from this video, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel.